my cooks, today we are going to make Thanksgiving pinwheels. It's an appetizer. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up our green onions, and then once we get them cut, we're going to mix them with our cream cheese and then add the seasonings. But for now, let's get going on cutting our green onions. All right, now that those are cut, we are going to put them in with our cream cheese. When you get your cream cheese out, make sure that you let it stand out for a little while till it's softened, because it'll be a lot easier to mix together. And if it's not softened, if you're on a deadline, just zip it in the microwave for about, I don't know, 15, maybe 20 seconds. Alright, let's add our seasoning. Let's take the top off our garlic here. Alright, we're going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Pepper, about 1/4. Salt, we'll do 1/4. Get all the seasoning in there. We're gonna mix it up really good so there's no big chunks of seasoning just hanging in there somewhere. You want to mix it up really good. Oh yeah, that's money. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to put a generous amount of cream cheese on our tortilla. Then we're going to put our turkey and a thin layer of cranberry sauce. Make sure it's a thin layer, because if you put too much, it's going to come out when you cut and when we roll it, and you don't want to do that. All right, let's start with our cream cheese. Spread that on there. All right, now we're going to put in our turkey. About 4 slices should do, I would think. All right, and a thin layer of the sauce. All right, that works. Now we're going to roll it. Make sure it's tight. You want a good tightness on your tortilla. Now that we got this rolled out, we're going to cut the ends of the tortilla. This is for the chef's snack later. Now you want to don't cut it too thin. You want a good thick piece. For some reason, everybody that I know cuts them thin. Don't do that. Don't cut them thin. Put it on your serving platter. See, I might have put too much on one side because that came out, but that's okay. And then we're going to repeat the process until our platter is done.